In this video, I'm going to show you how to see the muted words in X.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. This is really useful if you want to review the words you've muted before, check your content filters, or make sure you're not missing posts because of hidden keywords. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com and make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. On the left side navigation bar, click on More. This will open up a menu with additional account and settings options. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. Now you'll be taken to the main settings area for your X account. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps your content visibility, security, and filtering options. After that, click Mute and Block. Here you'll find controls related to muted accounts, muted words, blocked accounts, and more. Once you're inside that section, click Muted Words. This will show you the list of words, phrases, hashtags, or notifications you've muted on your account. From here, you can review everything that's been muted and manage it as needed. And that's it. That's how to see the muted words in X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.